In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to resolve the try searching to get started notification issue on the YouTube homepage. If you're encountering this problem and want to remove it, stick around till the end of this video. Also, consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications for future updates. Two main reasons trigger this notification on your homepage: clearing your YouTube watch history or using incognito mode. Normally, YouTube recommends videos based on your watch or search history. Let's explore how to fix this issue. Open your YouTube app and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access the History section. Navigate to Settings, then select Manage All History. Here you can view and delete your YouTube watch history based on the time range. After deleting your history, check the Library section to confirm that it's cleared. Return to the home page and refresh the page to see the notification. It's important to note that this notification isn't a problem, it's a new feature from YouTube to personalize video recommendations based on your interests. To resolve it, search for a YouTube channel or video that interests you and whose recommendations you'd like to receive. Watch a few seconds of the video, then exit the YouTube app. Reopen the app and refresh the page once or twice. Your home page will now display new recommendations based on your recent activity. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Stay tuned for more helpful videos.